Hello, YouTube fam. Welcome to Cherry's Halls and More Vibes. How are you all doing? I hope you're doing great. I'm doing pretty good myself. What I'm gonna be doing today is my second Five Below haul. So let me show you what I have. Y'all know it's a bunch of snacks. Some of the items I'm not gonna show because they're gifts. So a few of them I'm not gonna show you all. All right, first we have this Wet n Wild right here. I have purchased these before from Five Below, actually. These the glitter type of lip gloss. And this one, I guess that's the color. It's lip gloss. Y'all, this second thing I already ate. I already have eaten. It's a Kit Kat birthday cake. And it tastes just like that, like birthday cake, Kit Kat. I'm not sure if I ever tried this before or not. But yes, it's good. It's good though. Tastes like birthday cake. I got this little pail right here, or that's what they call it, bucket, plastic bucket. They have the little rabbits on them. And look, you can see that somebody ate off some of them. The little rabbits. Yeah, this was just $1. It's a small one. It'll serve the purpose. I'm just gonna put a few treats in here for my grandson. I've got this cheddar cheese GH crackers right here. Never tried this before. Popcorn. And I got the Sour Patch Kids bunnies. Y'all know who this for. Yes, it's for my grandson. No, I don't really eat too much candy like this. For Easter. Just give him a few little treats for Easter. Okay, I did buy this to try. This is a Snickers pecan. I don't believe I ever tried the pecan Snickers, so I got this. I may try that for you all. And then I got double bubble gum. This for my grandson to go in his little Easter basket. 12 in here. Also another treat. Y'all, I can't try all these. Not today. I'm kind of full, so I'll try two things though. I have this Twix cookie dough cookie bars. I'll let you know in Cherry's review whether I liked it or not. I try to remember not to throw away the package. Now this is pretty interesting. I'm thinking I'm not gonna like this. Yeah, I just got it just because. I do like shrimp. This is the shrimp chips bait. Never tried any shrimp chips. So I'm gonna try this for y'all. I'm not sure about that one, if I like that one. That's the one I'll try though. This is for my grandson, Happy Hoppers. This candy right here. Little gummy type candy, what he loves. Don't give him that type of stuff all the time, maybe on certain occasions. And also this is for him as well, the regular Snicker. He changed what kind of candy bar he likes. I'm unsure what he likes, so I'm just going to give him the Snicker. I know at one time she was saying he liked Snicker. One time he was liking M&M's. It could be something else now, but this is just going to go in his little basket. And then I just got some water, y'all. Smart water right here. Got 2 of these from Five Below. And that's all I got this time. This is my second Five Below haul. So I'm gonna go ahead and try a few of these treats for y'all. Just a moment. Just clean my hands a little. Okay. Maybe I better try those shrimp chips. And that way, if I try something else, it'll kind of maybe wash down the taste if I don't like it. Okay. Trying these. Look interesting. Just a moment. Y'all, they stink. They smell like shrimp for real. They stink bad. They stink so bad I don't even want to try it. Look like that inside the bag. And it smells just like shrimp. Straight up raw shrimp. Okay. See how they look? Alright, here we go. This may be something I may have to toss if I don't like it. I'll let my daughters maybe try it. If they don't like it, just get tossed. It's not as bad as it smells. They have that shrimp taste. Somewhat. They have a shrimp taste. Tastes like shrimp. That's different. Now I like those dill pickle ones. If you looked at my previous, please go back. If you haven't looked at it, please go back and watch it. Where I tried the dill pickle puffs. Those were good. I like those. This is not bad. It smells really bad when you first open the bag. But they don't taste that bad. I'm surprised. I was thinking I don't like. They taste like, I guess if you like shrimp, it tastes how that shrimp tastes. Tastes exactly like shrimp. So that's not bad. Next I'm gonna try this Snickers, the pecan. It looks like the typical Snicker bar. Okay, let's taste it. Not bad. If you like pecans, you're most likely you'll like this. Let me show you how it looks like that. I really like it. I like that. I like it better than the brownie one. So yes, on this, it's good. A pecan. If you don't want peanuts and just want the, I don't know if it have pecans and peanuts in it. Both, I'm not sure. I hadn't read the information about it. But if you more want pecans, then, you know, I say pecans, all pecans, because I know some people say pecans. I generally say pecan, but I know other people say pecan. So I'm saying both. These are good. This tastes better than the brownie one that I just tried on my last. Also, that was on my last Five Below haul. So yes, on this. All right, those are the only items I'm going to try at this time. Thank you for watching. Please like, please subscribe. Please hit the notification bell. Until next time, I'll see you.